Sure, abuti ona hle.
Paisa yalla! Paisa yalla! Hey man, Senat Mora.
Onze Siso!
Hey man.
Victory Siso!
Ja, Senat iets.
Thank you, so. You can't get it at home. You get it here.
Senator Pres, hy is beter as die lemkari en die reis.
Yes.
Can't get it at home.
Yeah,
By yourself.
you get it, yeah.
Get it here.
Die style.
The muffin.
Sê gou net Mora. Hey man.
Ons het Galandela.
Die style.
Donders los.
Ja.
Daar sê, ons gaan ben. Salut, Victory vir ons.
Yes man. So ons gee net gou net 'n vinnige overview if you missed it. This is the recap. Die style.
Good morning, our patriots out there. We are currently in Ward 82. We are in this ward. We are coming to Galandela, soos hulle sê. Ons is met ons councillor hierso, wie die kaptein is. She's the captain of the ship.
Yeah,
Councillor
man.
Subeida. She's currently representing El Dorado Park, and she's in the house. And we've got the rest of our leaders here who will be in control today. And we're just coming here to do our thing, and we know that we are winning. Our councillor, not councillor candidate, our councillor is Marilyn Smos. Just remember that name.
Incoming.
Not incoming, she's already Galandela, she's a councillor.
As a swap. Salute. Right, so ja nee, sê hulle net daar
Salut, ons is hierso om te bly. PA, né? Asseblief ons vra mense, kom uit en nuclear, kom vote vir die party wat 'n future het. Ons is hierso om die ding te kom maak vir ons mense. Service delivery mense, nie met die mond nie, ons doen service delivery, kom uit. En kom vote, ons kom by julle huise, asseblief kry julle self reg, kry julle eie reg, kom vote, ons kom uit. Ons is hierso om te bly. PA bo.
Gee hulle net gou jou nommer as solide as ons hulle.
My nommer is, wil ek moet kom optel, vry. Nie geld, niks nie. 083 48 35 840. Naps, ek kom tel jou op met 'n plesier. Kom vote net vir die party wat 'n future het. Thank you.
Die style, Mora. Yeah, now all the way from the city of Tshwane. Hey man, where were you when we were here? Mora. So ali parties is hierso. Ja nee. So yeah, now may the best party win today. Dit is waar ons is. So Mora. So ja nee. So as jy nog slaap, skrik asseblief wakker. Ja nee. Van ons is hier. Hey, where were you when we were here? Die style. So ja nee, kyk hier so 'n aktiwiteit hier on the ground. Boots on. Mora daar vir die leaders.
Leaders.
Ja.
And Westbury, where?
Yeah man.
Check me out, leaders.
Yes man. Sê gou daar so gou leader.
Môre leaders.
Ja
Kom
nee.
Bout in Westbury, ons is hier.
Ja.
Ons Paisa nie.
Niks. Ons daar nie. Sê gou Mora vir hulle leader.
Môre leaders, kom op.
Hey man.
Leaders. Ek is nou net gepak Bokspark en ek wys aan nie. Hoe staan ons dan nou? Sementvas.
Hey man. So ja nou. Boots on the ground.
Ons gaan daar
Yes,
by daai plek chille.
yes, ons gaan daar by die ander kant in. En ons gaan op met die trappe. So leaders daar so voor, sê net môre vir die mense daar so. Ja. Different area codes. Ja, in Ward 82. Die style. Leaders sê gou iets.
Salut. Ek is klaar gesê.
Ja, nee, sy klaar gesê. Sê, die leader buys aan niks. Môre. Alright, so ja, ons gaan nee, die kante, die trappe is die kante. Ja.
Ek sien nou so.
Ja, môre.
Môre
Ja, nee, ons kan sien. Julle is tussen, ons kan sien. Julle bysa niks. Julle bysa niks, julle jala net. Yes! Dankie toch. Môre.
Ik ga gaan vote.
Ja, nee. Nee. Kijk eens zo, we don't make eye contact. Ons nou hier naby die nuwe
ons is hier.
Okay. Ons sal nou daar so ook 'n draaitjie gaan maak. Môre. Ja, nee. Salute. So from Port to Westbury. Ja, nee, we tell her what we must. For results. Môre. So, Yania, we are just reminding the residents that the VD stations are open. They can go and pull through. Yeah, no, wherever you are, wherever you at. Hello. Wait, so situation. Môre, hoe gaan dit? Pajuma. Môre, hoe gaan dit? Oh, she already went. Okay. Is jou maak al reeds weg? Is your father here? Okay, quickly call your father, please. Ja, gaan gou. So. Môre, hoe gaan dit meneer? Goed, dankie. Het meneer klaar gaan meneer op pad. Ag nee, baie dankie daarso vir die change, né? Right. So. Is die anders klaar op, né?
Ja.
Wow, okay.
Môre.
Ja, alles was klaar weg. Ja, alles klaar weg. So, ja, nee, kijk eens zo daar. Zo is die andere video daar. Hij is Majid. So, kom Karen krijgen of die kant toe. Die leaders is nog gewoon zo. On the ground. Hello. Was jullie klaar weg? Was mijn auntie jullie klaar weg? Wat is het? Ach nee, ik kan zien jullie bijzijn niks nie, hoor.
Ik bijzijn niet.
Sela.
Ik bijzijn niet. Wanneer dit er vanaf bijzijn niet.
Niks. Ja, dat is rechts van mijn lieden. Morgen meneer. Hij meneer loopt aan. Hij meneer is nog niet lessen. Morgen, en jullie klaar gaan bouwen? Eet jullie? Oké. Zo, kom ik. Is er mensen hier zo, jullie? Wat is er?
Van mij.
Ons wacht net daar so vir die ander leaders. Ja, hulle gaan so. Was julle klaar hier onder? Ek dink terwyl ons nou hier naby die video is, kom ons sê net hello vir die mense. En dan ons gaan nou so lank toe beweeg, so ons gaan nie weer kans kry nie. Ja, ons gaan na daai blok toe. So ons gaan net vir hulle net sê hello en dan is ons, and then we are out. Huh? Wat is hy? Ja, jong mense. Ja, nee, ons nodig vir julle om die change te bring. Kom Karen, gooi ons gou daar.
mekaar, ons gaan nooit die hele area kan doen.
Yes.
Hulle moet ons drie in 'n blok insit.
Yes. Okay, so die ander leaders gaan ons nou daai kant toe, né? Ja. Ja, gaan die anders. Ja, leader kom jy is sommer my protector vir die dag asseblief. Ja. Kyk hier so Mr. Moses is glad nie naby vandag nie. So ek het nou my eie ding. Hey man, bye sa julle. Yeah man, nuts. Just say hi to the people. Yeah, no?
Hello, guys. Everybody.
Yes man, die plan gaan aan.
Salut, leader.
Yes man. So there's Majid. Yeah. We are just saying hi to everybody here. Morning. So no. We are just coming to greet the other patriots. Patriots on the ground. Mora yala. Morning. Yeah, salute. Hey man. Yeah, no boots on the ground. Hey man.
Die hunters
Freklos. Yeah. So yeah, now we are busy with our situation there. We're just coming to pop in, you know. You know us. You know how we roll. You know us. Yes. Thank you very much. Leader say hello, you saw for the mense man.
Salute on suspension 182 PA on Linux.
Yeah, man.
182 Grontu.
Salute. So okay, so they must feel.
They're gonna feel us.
Yeah, tell them.
This is our season.
Yeah.
The last shall be the first. What they never thought will happen in this world.
Yes.
We are coming, we are here. It's can't say too much, it's again.
Aye, man. Over out. Yeah, man. Okay, so we will check you on the second half. We are moving. Yeah? Right. So leaders, second half. Right, so we are moving. What is that? Senate fella. Yeah, Senate fella. So yeah, no. We are moving. Leader, maak my gauw vast alsjeblieft.
Het ons uitkom groet, dan gaan ons nog.
Ja.
Moet ik kom bouwen of?
Ja, bouwen, maar zodat hij niet afgeleid is.
Sorry voor die sigaret.
Zo, ja, kijk eens zo. Zo.
En het is flat, hij gaat nou weer.
Als er iets was van die sterren. Die antie draait zo rond, ze willen stamp. Lijkt ze willen stamp. Ja, nee. So, ons is nou weer op pad. Hello. Lekker dag. May the best party win. Yeah, no. Doesn't matter where they vote, just as long as they vote. So, ons move. Dus nou weer op een pad zo. Ja, die mensen sê hulle sê wat hulle sê. Ons sê maar net gaan vote.
Die groenes en
Ja. Ek like die kip van jou, hoor. Ek kan sien jy lyk soos 'n kung fu panda daar so. Right. No, you are not in the camera, don't worry. You are out of the shot. Unless you want to be in the shot.
You
want to be in the shot. Right, so hashtag current situation.
Baizani.
Nux.
Ons Baizani.
Ja nee, kyk
Ons
hierso.
is tussen.
Ek het nou vroeër vandag toe sien ek nou my ander councillors daar van Tshwane. Hulle is ook nou hier in die area code. Maar ek sê nou toe vir die leaders, the difference between them and us is, yeah, no, they not like us. Hulle ry in die karre, ons is boots on the ground.
Yes.
Daar waar die verskil inkom. Because jy kan nie die mense reach terwyl jy ry nie. Ja nee. So ons doen dit die way. Wait, so sala. Right, so we're going down here now.
This is okay, this is your people, thank you. Thank you,
Okay, so we're going up. Yeah.
En de hoek wil ik wachten, ja. Hij gaat op.
Is daar genoeg mense bo? Okay, so is daar klaar mense die kan. Wah. Hierso val die ander lieder hierso verby. Is jy klaar daar so lieder?
Kleiner, ja.
Wah, okay.
This side.
Okay.
Morning. Yes, morning, masuk verby. Ek sien. Môre my auntie. Hoe gaan dit my auntie? Goed, dankie. Was my auntie klaar weg? Nog nie, gaan my auntie nog. Gaan my auntie nie. Waar is het? My auntie bietjie. Waar is het? Oh, okay. Moet ons vir auntie transport organise. Wow, okay. Ja, is reg. So lekker daar. As 'n groot plesier my auntie. Bye. Ja. Julle nou hier geklop nou, leaders. Julle daar geklop hoor. As daar trappies ons om weer te move daai kan. Oh, they're already on top. Okay, so here we have one of the Joburg 9, soon to be Joburg 10.
loading.
Yeah. Sailor.
Joburg 10 loading. The atmosphere is loaded. We thank God in advance for what He's about to do. We thank you for His grace. We thank you for safety. We thank you for our president. And let's push. Let's vote. Salute.
Yeah, salute. So, daar gaan ons ander leaders nou daar so. Hulle is daar so besig. En dan gaan daar na die ander blok toe. As daar steps daar so, leader? Ja, nie die auntie. Conversate nou gou daar so. As julle klaar hier in, leaders? Wow, okay. Right. So nou hoef ons nog gou daar hierso na die ander blok toe. Leaders sê net môre daar so vir Giselle, sy is ook besig om te watch.
Môre.
Ja, sê van.
Ons is tussen met councillor.
Vra, waar sy?
Councillor, jy uitgesit, jy bly nie meer by 43.
Ja, sy baisa mos.
Jy baisa.
Sê gou môre. Sê gou môre vir die mense.
Môre leier, so gaan dit.
Ja.
Ons is hard aan die werk, leier, hard aan die werk.
Ja, nee. Kyk hierso, ons wil die storie. Tot
Wat
daarvoor.
stories, ons vat jou, ons het die kar op hier, ons vat jou. En ons bring jou terug. Môre leier. Hier is alles wat ons bied nie, alles wat ene van julle. Ons sal dit nog wegvat vir julle. So kan jy 'n vote is 'n vote vir die PA.
Yes, so my leader.
Wat die bied is dat ek sal hulle ry.
Okay.
Alles ek in Bosman gestation, maar as jy mense wat na julle bied toe gaan, ek sal hulle vat.
Yes.
Dat ek daar.
Ja man, ons operate mos nou die style.
Ja, verstaan jy, is 'n PA
Yes.
vote.
As 'n PA vote. Ja, nee, so. Right.
Thank you, man. Hey.
Ah,
Ah,
jy het my nommer net.
Klaar about. Sê Baisa nie. Klaar hy t-shirt hoor. Right. So I'm not sure they are not here. Oh, there. I think they are there. Right. So, waar gaan ons nou by die blok? As daar klaar leaders hier by die blok. Wow. Okay, daar gaan die leaders daar by die blok.
Sharon, be in.
Wow, daar klaar leaders daar. Wow, okay.
And the one in front.
is gonna win.
Yes.
Yes. Ja, nee, so as julle wil opgetel kom word. Môre. Hoe gaan dit? Goed, dankie. Wah, baie dankie daarso. Gaan ons vandag net ons breakfast. Sy's aan die ander kant se blok sê kom. Ja.
Die eindelijk van allemaal van.
Even allemaal gevat.
Ons het getry, maar was nie meer nie. Dis al wat ek het daar in die kar in.
Salute. What 82 was op de grond?
Ja.
We are taking what 22 is gaan omvat.
82?
Net so lekker. City of Johannesburg 9 will be Joburg 10.
Yes.
Yeah, after this one.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, this one we are taking. It's easy.
Yeah.
All the others are just Abu Makapa. They are just bias kappa. And then loop net methods. So that us can be in fat.
Yes, los ander.
So it's hard of that.
Ja.
Sien dat councillors wat ek nie sien so.
Ja. Kop us af.
Nee, ons gaan set op dynamic. Ons gaan set op dynamic.
Ja.
But the situation right now,
ja.
Ons is op die grond. Salut.
Ja, dankie. Ek switch gou. Oep. Mense hulle gaan ons stammen nou.
Ons is dan nou hier, lekker hier. We are here. Where is the Desillusion Alliance?
The Delulu.com?
The Delulu. Ons is hier om te wees.
Ja.
Delicious. Delulu. Okay.
I have something to say.
Okay. Tell the people.
Oh, what 82, let us end it with greatness and with our councillor Marilyn Smokes. Let us give it love that she needs and let us explore more because the PA is standing the ground and on stramp some fast. Yes, let us do it. Salute.
Die style. Right, so there you have it. Please pull through. Yeah, now wherever you are, wherever you went. And all I can say is, they must be us.
Definitely. They are feeling us. They're feeling us badly.
Yeah. Anja?
Good afternoon, goeiemiddag.
Goeiemorgen.
As het nog môre?
As nog môre.
Aan die middag in. Good afternoon, Ward 82 residents. Good afternoon, Patriots. Oh, dit lyk groen. Westbury, the change is here. Patriotic Alliance is in die huis in. Julle raadslid is in die huis in. Ons sê salute en ons sê baie dankie vir hy votes. Let us be the change. Kom ons wys vir hulle hoe kan ons hande hou en ons maak die change. We are the last hope. Onthou, Patriotic Alliance is a service delivery driven party. Salute. Over and out. See you later.
Hey man.
Meneer Baisa nie, samen met Kimba en Ogila. Vandaag is ons die bestuurders en die security van die incoming councillor of Ward 82.
Correction, not incoming councillor, councillor of Ward 82.
Yes, we're claiming it. Yes.
The councillor just set the record straight. The councillor of Ward 82 will be going from VD to VD. We are happy that Port is with us.
Altijd.
We do appreciate you guys from Port. Debbie, we appreciate you seeing the good work that you've been doing. It's this work that is taking some of us to Parliament soon. So, beep, 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 beep.
Salute. I'm just the bodyguard and the driver on Smart Dive. On Change Westbury. I say my second. Salute players.
Dankie toch. Right, so there you have it. Ja, nee, kyk hier so ons bysa nie, ons dalla net. Daai staan. So, kom ek vat julle gou deur. Second half. Say that hello. Ja. Dankie toch. Right, so hier so ons boots on the ground, doing the rounds. Ja, nee, sê net iets as leaders. Right now, so there you have it. Yeah, now boots on the ground, making sure it is a green wave here in Ward 82. That style.
Beautiful pages. Hope you see the beauty and the enthusiasm, the drive happening in Ward 82, where the Patriots are campaigning and getting people to go and vote. It's a green wave. The Patriotic Alliance doing some good work down there. Doing some very good work. Just wanted to share with you some of the things that are happening on the ground during the day. As by elections, people going to vote, going up and down. Beautiful ward councillor, beautiful leaders in the area doing the good work, which is most important and vital. So we appreciate all the good work that they put in together. Shows that Patriots are forever united. And I hope all you people living in Ward 82, make sure you show up for those elections. Still some time. Everybody on the ground. Salute, Rontu. Please do like and subscribe, Patriots.
Nothing. Sure, I would do honestly.